these things like the nails.
So we
These
gotta,
are, see that?
so we gotta watch for those.
Yeah, there's a snake right around here in the nest. Says, I don't think they eat you, but sometimes they eat you, but they don't.
Okay.
It's poisonous. This is a poisonous snake. They have
Okay.
yellow, red dots, and it's yellow,
Okay. Thank you.
and it's black. That's a scary creature.
What is that?
It's from a hyena.
It's a hyena.
It eats hyena.
Oh, it eats hyenas.
It comes to over there because there's hyenas nest over there. They eat hyenas over there.
Oh.
Why is there paper right there, Mama?
I don't know why there's paper.
That's the meanest creature in the whole world. They live in this nest over here. See those holes in the leaves?
Okay. Yeah.
So the boy, see that one beak right there on the boys?
Yeah.
They eat flowers and they eat little limes. Yeah,
Okay.
they're sticking out. That's the dangerous thing.
It's a scary trail.
Mama,
It says a tarantula hawk.
these hawks, they're white in here, and this is whole nest. They live
Oh
in
wow.